What's up, dude?
Hey, I was wondering, how much you guys charge to do like a car?
Hey YouTube, Joshua the window cleaner here, and today we're cleaning some really nasty windows. I'm going to show you how we're doing it. We've got paint on these windows. They're super dirty. There's hard water, everything you can imagine. Check these out. We're going to clean the frames and everything. So they got paint all on the sides where they're painted. Cool. But yeah, so we're doing quite a few windows here. We're doing some doors around there, around the back. But yeah, so I'll just be showing you the process of how to get these really dirty windows clean. So the first thing is they're gonna have to sign the scratch prevention waiver, and then we can move forward from there. So hope you enjoy the video. Peace out. So instead of using our towels that we use on our everyday jobs or maintenance jobs, we're going to use our old towels. We have these old towel buckets with old microfibers and old bigger towels, and we'll use those instead of our new ones because we don't want to ruin our towels. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do, I know that we're going to be using our blade a lot, so I'm going to pull this out and go ahead and replace this blade. I like when the blades are wrapped up like that. It's a lot easier. Otherwise they stick together. And I'm using the Unger Ninja 6-inch blade. And I have the Unger blades. I feel like these work better than the other ones. That's the other one that I'm using there. That was kind of like a cheaper blade, but they don't last as long. Okay. And it's got like a little spot for it, so. Cool. Now my blade's all good to go. The first thing I'm gonna do is dust everything down. This is just going to help your mop from getting dirty. Now that I dusted everything off with this, I'm going to take my broom . Just kind of sweep over everything, anything that I might have not got. And sometimes I'll do this with my water fed pole first, so I don't have to worry about all this dusting part. But I'm not using the water fed pole today, so when you're scraping, you want to make sure that it's really wet. You want to make sure you got a brand new blade, as you've seen me swap out my blade, and then you want to go up with it. So whenever you're going up, you don't want to go back and forth. You don't want to drag the blade backwards across it like that. You want to go up with it. And so whatever, like over here on the sides, you would go this way. You want to be going towards that edge. It's going to give you a more precise job, because you can get right into that corner with the blade. So whenever you're doing this, make sure that your angle is right. So that's the angle that I go on, and you can feel it just glides very easily. Okay. You want to make sure you keep it wet so you have that smooth. Now once you get that close, then you want to go sideways. Cool. And you can do one more pass up. Okay, now you see how bad this side is too. So there's a lot of stuff on the other side of this glass too, but the good thing about it is one thing I noticed on residentials, I'll just scrape a little small spot, and if it sounds like I'm scraping sandpaper, I stop, because that's leaving scratches. But if it's smooth, like obviously right now it sounds like sandpaper, but when I go back up and there's nothing there, it's actually really smooth. So that means you're not scratching the glass, which is a good thing. If you scratch the glass, just make sure you take care of your customer. I have not had that issue, but if you use new blades and you practice, take your time with it, you'll be just fine. Okay, cool. So for that corner, I'm actually starting here and then going up, like into that corner. And it'll swoop in, that plastic grabs it. Okay. I just want to see what we did, make sure we're not missing anything. So I'm just gonna do this. It looks like I got everything on the outside, which is good. So then I'll go down a level. Go ahead and mop all this. Okay. And then I'll start down right here. And you can really get some things done when you're able to get the top. Just the edges and the top takes the longest. And so. What's up, dude?
Hey, I was wondering, how much do you guys charge to do like a car?
Go ahead and wash all of this. And now we just do the bottom part here. Looks like I got all the paint off. So Robert's gonna, I'm not really worried about it. I'm not even trying to be precise, because he's gonna come back and do hard water removal. So it actually doesn't look like there's a lot of hard water on these windows, which will be good. I'll have Robert clean the inside. We might just be able to wash that and be done. Cool. So that's the first thing you want to do though, is you want to take off that first layer and see what's up underneath there. But yeah, it looks like most of everything else is is on the inside. I don't see any more paint. It feels really nice. Cool, so you can see the difference already just cleaning that one. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom. And then I got it all scraped. I just wash it. That looks pretty good. I don't think we're gonna have to remove any hardware off of here. Maybe a little bit on the bottom. But I think most of that's dirt from the inside that we're seeing. I don't feel any hard water either. Well, I can kind of feel it here a little bit. But yeah, most of that's gone. So cool, maybe we can just scrape these and wash them. But yeah, normally that's the process we go through when we're doing a construction clean. One person will do all the scraping and everything, and then the next person will come behind him and get all the hard water or whatever else needs to be done. But it's a lot slower, but in the long run, you can make a lot more money. I mean, we're charging quite a bit of money for this job here. Well, I can tell you. So we're charging $585 the first time clean. I'm assuming it's gonna take us about 3 or 4 hours. So $585 the first time, and then we're coming back every 6 months for $200 just to clean the glass, which will be way easier than what we're doing now. But yeah, so that's how you do it. We're gonna do these real quick. I'll have it on time lapse so you can see the difference in these. But yeah, so that's how I do it. That's how you scrape the window. And we use BioClean hard water stain removal. Works just fine. I've heard mixed results. It doesn't work for some people, but it works for us, and it also protects. And the sealant lasts up to 3 months. I don't know about all that, but I've seen it last about a month, and then there's hard water on there again. But it does make it a lot easier to clean it next time. But yeah, so the rest of this video is going to be in time lapse. I'm just going to show these, and then I'll probably show all those, but the rest of these videos will be in time lapse. I really hope y'all enjoyed and learned something. I'll show you, there's another video on my YouTube that shows you how to remove hard water, so we're not going to walk through that step. But this is how you remove paint and crap that's on the windows with a blade. So hope y'all enjoyed. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out. so we're all finished. Just want to show you the final product. I'm gonna do a walkthrough again. As you can see here, all of the windows are really nice and sparkly clean. We'll go on the inside and take a look what they look like. Such a big difference. Okay. Perfectly clean. These doors here, clean they are. All right, so you got to see it before. This is after we're done cleaning it. As you can see, there's no more paint, no more hard water, and these windows are spectacular. So much better. So yeah, there you go. Hope you learned something.